Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage.
Well, hello. This is not my normal video, but I got this model from a friend, Ian. I did him some custom decals and he sent me this, and to be quite honest, it's too good to strip. Ian's already restored it, but as you can see, it's in parts. Now, I've tried some screws. These are off to take a 3mm tap, and I've got some 3mm bolts. Let me just, screws, whatever you want to call them, let's just put one in there, and they're a good fit, as you can see. Now I could have got away with two, but I would have to have refill these holes. Now the only thing wrong with them at the moment, if you can see, they're a bit proud, so I'm just gonna flatten them back with this multi-tool. But I'm sure you get the idea of that. Flat it back so it's level. Still a bit more to do in the ones at the back, so I'll quickly do that off camera. Okay, they're flattened back now. We can just check that this sits nicely on there. Clicks in. It's not proud in these corners or at the front. Notice Ian's put some nice jeweled headlights in there. So what we can do now is get the old tap out and tap these holes. Well, as you can see, I've got my 3mm tap. I've put some petroleum jelly on this, Vaseline, just to help. And hopefully these holes are the right size. They do feel okay. So once I've got it going, I normally turn it back a quarter, give it a turn, turn it back. Of course, I normally speed this up in my videos. I don't normally show it all. And that feels a good tap there. Bit more Vaseline, do the next one. Right, it's going, so back, 2 turns, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, and I keep going like that. Till I've stopped. Now I'll do the next one off camera. That's our 3 holes tapped. Now just give them a wipe. There's going to be some residual Vaseline around there. Of course, I normally, or I should do if I remember, do this before I actually paint the model. Because next I have a test fit. So here we go with the test fit. So you should really put your glass in. I don't always do it like that, but sometimes you only get one chance as well. So it looks like we don't need any glue for the glass. Looks, I'm not sure. Sitting there okay maybe, but let's see about these screws. Now I've got some M33s there. I don't know if they're going to be long enough. Don't know if they're going to bite. No. What I'll do is I'll get some longer M3s. Okay, I've managed to find some M3 6s. Add some 8s elsewhere. These, hopefully, will be just right. Got a couple out there. You can always cut them down. I'll have some M35 somewhere. Bit fingers and thumbsy. I can probably get myself a bigger screwdriver now. I think I will. Just biting now. Don't turn them too tight. You could strip it, could crack the post. That one's gone in at an angle. You don't want that. Straighten it up. Now that one's okay. That one's a bit proud. I'm not liking that, so I'm going to have to take that out and find another M3 to go with it. But something that will sit nicely just like that front one. The front one, the diameter is bigger. Okay, I found a slightly smaller headed bolt screw. And there we are. Our little Corgi A35 RAC van is finished. Now what I'll do is I'll just give that a polish just to make it shine. So here we go with the Mr. Sheen. And there we have a lovely A35. Registration plate, jewelled headlamps, detailing at the back, RAC road services. Now I'm conscious I've done quite a few AAs. I'm actually in the RAC, so it's about time I did one. So that's how I do the tapping and fixing. What I could do is just colour those bolts to match the underneath with a bit of paint or a pen, or I could start searching for some M36s that will fit in there. And that's the beauty of using the tap-in, etc. You can go back, you can take it apart, you can redo it. I hope you enjoyed that short video. Please like and subscribe, and take care of yourselves.